Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the tiny tools and the replacement battery ready. This is critical because working blind ruins parts. Once you remove the silicone tip, focus on the seam, insert the spudger at the notch, and pry slowly. You want controlled separation, not a snap. Keep track of screws and small clips in a container, otherwise reassembly becomes guessing. Make sure to ground yourself or use a static mat. That prevents damage to the tiny electronics inside. Once the shell is open, identify the small battery and the two tabs photograph orientation to preserve polarity details. You then desolder or unclip the tabs carefully. Use a low-temperature iron and brief contact to avoid lifting pads. After that, prepare the replacement battery. Trim wires to match, tin them, and reflow solder quickly. Make sure to secure the battery with a dab of non-conductive adhesive so it doesn't stress the joints. This prevents future breakage. After soldering and securing the battery, reseat any shifted PCB and ribbon cables, then align the shell halves and snap them together slowly so nothing is pinched. Once reassembled, place the earbud in the case and charge for 10 to 15 minutes, then perform the factory reset to clear pairing quirks. Test audio, microphone, and battery indicator. If one side stays silent, reopen and inspect contact pads and resistor traces. That single tip often fixes the common failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.